Parrots in Luton Town Garden. Exclusive. Where else are you finding parrots eating from bird stations in England? Come on now. Look at that ringnet. Parrots that people didn't even know existed in the UK. Right here, live and direct. So this is the first day of them acknowledging the food and going at it. We've got sunflower seeds in there, and we've got crushed peanuts. And this little ringneck has come. There's a lot of them in the tree, by the way. So we'll see if any more of them come. This one looks like a baby. And we'll see if they bring their family.